my beautiful angels, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I don't know if you saw my last Poundland haul. I did one last month, I think it was, and it was actually my first ever Poundland experience. And to be fair, I had a lot of fun. It was actually so much better than what I thought. It has so much there, like cleaning products and just stuff for the house that I didn't know existed. So I went back to good old Poundland and I got some more bits, which I'm going to show you in today's Poundland haul. So firstly, if you are new, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sophie, aka Sopherina, and I make a lot of kind of lifestyle-y haul type videos on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing below, it would mean the world. Okay, so the day I'm filming this video is actually the hottest day in the UK so far for the whole year. We've had literally a heat wave for weeks and weeks and weeks. It has not rained here, which is so weird for the UK. I haven't seen rain in over 6 weeks. That's never happened in my whole life. So it's really odd, but I'm currently just sitting here sweating out. So I'm just gonna get on with the video basically and stop talking. Okay, so as you walk into my local Poundland, the first things you kind of come across on your left is sweets. And how exciting, because I love chocolate and sweets. So I always take a long time thinking, what should I treat myself to? So I picked up some Cadbury's Time Outs. Now, Cadbury's Time Outs are notoriously one of my favourite things to snack on. They're just so good. They're basically, if you're not from the UK, a Cadbury's Time Out is basically the best chocolate we have here in the UK, in my opinion anyway, covered over kind of wafer biscuits. So it kind of sounds boring, but these are so underrated. They're such a good cup of tea type snack. So I love to get these and have a cup of tea in the evening, treat myself. Also, I didn't know there's only 112 calories per Time Out bar, and although I don't calorie count, it's actually really hot at the moment and it's too hot to exercise, so I'm not really doing anything healthy. So I thought I might as well lower the calories I eat at least, because right now I'm just a slobby mess around the house because it's too hot to do anything. So these are the first things I got. I actually got 2 packs of these because why not? I do tend to go through chocolate quite quickly. So there's 6 per pack, so if they're £1 each, what's 6 divided by £1? 18p, 16p, or something's to 16p per bar. I don't think that's bad. You guys seem to know so much about what prices are at different stores, so if you do know that I could get these cheaper elsewhere, let me know below, because you guys always help me out with that. But I thought this was quite good and I'm impressed. So as you move up from kind of the sweets and chocolate section, you come to like the women's beauty section, which I love browsing around. I love seeing what I could get for only £1 compared to what you can get in Boots and things like that. So I found some exfoliating gloves. Now notoriously, I haven't really liked exfoliating gloves. I don't think they do that much of a good job, but I thought I would give them a go because they feel really rough and they feel like they could work. Oh, the feel of them is actually making my teeth go funny. Does anyone have that with these weird feeling things? I don't know. Anyway, so these were only £1, and the reason I got these was because I really wanted to exfoliate the back of my legs. Now girls, I have a question for you. At the moment I'm suffering from this weird breakout on the back of my legs and it's really highly annoying. I don't know how to get rid of it. I know it's probably because of hormones, but it's something that's really getting on my nerves. Especially as it's summer, I just want to be wearing shorts, and although I'm noticing them. I don't think anyone else is, but I'm noticing like these bumps and little rashes on the backs of my legs. So if there is anything else, like product wise or diet wise, or anything that I could do to get rid of this on my legs, please leave me a comment down below, DM me, do anything. I would love to know. But I thought I would start with trying to exfoliate my legs, get rid of any, you know, skin that doesn't need to be there and keep them nice and smooth. So that's why I got these, but if there's any other tips out there, let me know, that would be a great help. So staying in the beauty section, I also came across all of their hair products, and I did find all the Keratis products, but unfortunately they only had shampoo, so I thought I might as well go for something else that has shampoo and conditioner, and I bought these 2 things. Now these are called Nutrafix. I've never heard of them, but I like the sound of them. So they have almond oil in, which notoriously is actually really good for my hair. And they also have fatty acids, loads of things that is meant to nourish and strengthen my hair. In this really hot weather, I will relish that because my hair is very thick and curly, and that often means that my hair does not get greasy. The grease just doesn't come out. I know people complain about greasy hair, but it's actually really good for you, whereas my hair just doesn't get greasy at all. It just kind of dries out. So anything that could kind of nourish that hair and puts back moisture in my hair is like a really big help for me. So I got these two. I haven't actually smelt them yet, which is really odd for me because normally I smell everything. So let's smell them. They're only £1 each. That's really cheap compared to what I normally get. They really smell like kids' shampoo. They smell like bubblegum. It's kind of reminding me of that shampoo that kids have, the no tears one that definitely causes tears if it goes in your eyes. But it kind of smells like that, like bubblegum. So I'm not really sure about these. I was hoping that they would be a good dupe for the keratin shampoo that I normally use. I will let you guys know on Instagram what I think of them. A lot of what I do on Instagram is kind of following on from videos. So things like this, I will wash my hair and just show you guys what my hair looks like before and after and just tell you if it's actually worth the money. But £1 for a shampoo and a conditioner, I don't think it's too bad at all. I also got myself some toothpaste, and this is Colgate toothpaste. If you have watched my body care video, I will link it down below for you. You noticed that when I was speaking about how to take care of your teeth, I spoke about how you need a high fluoride toothpaste because that basically adds an enamel for you. So I personally really like high fluoride toothpaste, and this has a high fluoride count. So I thought I'd give it a go. I normally use Oral-B, but I went for this one instead. It has with sugar, acid neutralizer, so I eat a lot of fruit, and fruit is actually quite bad for your teeth. It has all this acid in that breaks them down, so thought I'd give this a go. Also in Boots, these sell for a lot more than just £1. I think it's like over double the price. So finally, I'm starting to price compare and I'm starting to like make savings elsewhere, which is really good. So in my local Poundland has like an arts and crafts section. And while I was there, I found some balls of string. It doesn't seem interesting right now, but actually I could do a lot with these. Just recently, I went to a lavender fields and I put the pictures up all on Instagram and you guys loved them. And the lavender fields were great. We done a lot of picking and I have so many bunches of lavender. And I thought it'd be really nice to tie the lavender in bunches with this white string and just leave around my house. Lavender is absolutely perfect when it's dried out because it keeps its smell and it actually lasts a long time. So I thought I would tie some bunches up with this white rope and just leave it around my house. It's really summery looking and it makes the house smell nice. So why not? Only £1 for 3 balls. I'm not going to actually need all of this, but it will come in handy in the future, so I will keep this in my arts and crafts box. I also got some Dettol wipes, and I didn't know Poundland had such a great range of cleaning products, and you will see that in my other video. I was so shocked by what I found, but now I think I'm always going to get my wipes from Poundland because they're a lot cheaper there than anywhere else, so I found. So I bought these Dettol wipes. For me, these are ridiculously helpful and they basically are something that I will just grab, wipe down the surface and I'm done. Anything that's quick for me is good. Normally, I do like to be environmentally friendly and I have heard that these are biodegradable, although I am trying to read them now and I can't see where it says biodegradable, but someone has told me before they are. So could someone confirm that for me down below in the comments, because if they aren't, I won't use them again. I do like to think of the planet we're living on, but if they are, that's good. They're only £1 from Poundland. Next thing I got is this Vanish Gold. It's a massive tube, heavy tube as well, of Vanish Gold. I have been using this quite a lot recently. I have spilt cups of teas, I have dropped food, and my cats have been coughing up hairballs on my carpet, which is absolutely fantastic. So this is actually coming in real handy because my carpets in this current house are white. They're like really light coloured and they show up everything. And this stuff really does work. So I know in Waitrose or Tesco's, I can't remember which shop, I have paid in excess of £6 just for one tube of this. This was actually £4 from Poundland. Now, a lot of people think absolutely everything is just a straight edge £1 in Poundland, but actually no, there are some stuff that's a little bit more pricey, but it seems to be, I think you'll have to confirm down below, that it's a bit cheaper than like the high street supermarkets. So, got a tube of this. You cannot go wrong with this. It genuinely gets rid of stains. I also picked up myself a massive bottle of Fairy Up liquid. Everybody always slates me for saying this. I call it Fairy Up liquid, and I don't know why. I think I mix washing up liquid and fairy liquid together, so I've made Fairy Up liquid. It's just me, it's just who I am. But this is Fairy Up liquid, and it's a massive thing. I don't know if you can see, but it's huge. It's like double the size large one. It's so much bigger than what I thought the large one actually is, and I've only ever seen it in Poundland. It was £2 for this bottle, which isn't really cut price, because in the high street supermarkets this is actually £1 for the bottle that's about half the size of this, so you're just paying the exact same for double the liquid. So not bad, but I've only ever seen this size in Poundland, which is why I got this size. I think out of the whole haul, I'm most impressed with this next item. The reason being is it is honestly the biggest price saver I have ever saved from Poundland compared to high street. So basically it's a pack of the 4 bubbled envelopes. Now it sounds boring, but basically I sell a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes, and when I don't wear them very much or just buy them and never end up wearing them, I like to sell them on eBay. At the moment I am opening a Depop account. A lot of people are asking me on Twitter to open Depop, so I will be doing that soon, but obviously I send out a lot of clothes after I've sold them. These brown envelopes this size are normally £1 and 10p per envelope in the post office. That's quite expensive. That's a real difference. I've now got 4 for only £1. So I have saved quite a lot. If you think about it, that's quite a lot of saving. So I actually bought like 4 packs of these because I know I always need them in the house. I'm also sending one of you lovely people a letter and a little something very soon, because someone sent me a letter and a gift the other day and I just can't not reply. The letter touched my heart. So you'll be getting one of these. So honestly, for my second time at Poundland, I think I've had a really successful time. I'm not joking, it's so successful being there. This time I didn't get as much as I did in the first Poundland haul, purely because I hadn't used the products all up since the last one. So when I've used like all my Sopherina and all the other stuff, I will be doing a huge Poundland haul for the next time I do one of these. So make sure you're subscribed down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, because honestly it means the world to me. Don't forget to join my wonderful family here on YouTube by subscribing down below, and I will see you again very soon. Mwah.